Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, 23rd January 1897 to 18 August 1945. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India, but whose attempts during World War II to rid India of British rule with the help of Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan left a troubled legacy. The honorific Netaji, the respected leader, was first applied to Bose in Germany in early 1942 by the Indian soldiers of the Industrial Legion and by the German and Indian officials in the Special Bureau for India in Berlin. It is now used throughout India. Subhash Bose was born into a wealth and privilege in a large Bengali family in Orissa. During the high noon of the British Raj, the, the early recipient of an unusually Anglo-centric education and his teenage and young adult years were interspersed with brilliant academic success, oversized religious hearing, and stark rebellion against authority. In a college in which his five brothers were preceded him, he expelled for participating in an assault foreign professor. He was also rusticated from the University of Calcutta, but after reinstatement, 18 months later, he managed to study blamelessly and excel academically. Sent to England at his father's urging to take the Indian Civil Service examination, he succeeded with distinction in the vital first exam but demurred at taking the more routine but clinching the final exam. He cited nationalism to be a higher calling than the civil service. Returning to India in 1921 to join the nationalist movement led by the Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian National Congress. Bose at first worked under C.R. Das in Bengal. He flowered under Das' mentorship. He then followed Jawaharlal Nehru to leadership in a group within the Congress. In July 1940, Bose was arrested by the Bengal government over a small protest and kept housebound and under a strict police watch. In mid-January 1941, Bose was escaped from India in dramatic cloak and dagger fashion, heading northwest into Afghanistan. The National Congress, the main instrument of Indian nationalism, praised Bose's patriotism but distanced itself from his tactic and ideology. In this particular, his collaboration with fascism. The British Raj, never seriously threatened by the INA, charged 300 INA officers with treason in the INA trials, but eventually backtracked in the both face of popular sentiment and on its end. Thank you.